Hi children, this is your biology ma'am. Hope you all are going on well. So in this video we are going to see class 9 biology unit 17 animal kingdom. I hope you all have seen the previous videos of this lesson. So we'll have a just recall of that lesson and we'll move on to textbook back exercises. Okay, and before that I just want you to open your book for the answers for book back exercises. If you don't have your book also, I insist all of you to get your book as earlier as possible. Okay, since we have completed the lesson, and in this video I'll give the answers for book back 1 mark. So children, try to get your book as early as possible. Okay, so just we'll have a general recall of this lesson. So in this lesson we have seen about animal kingdom, classification of animal kingdom, binomial nomenclature, and we have seen the characteristics of 9 different phylum of invertebrates and 5 different classes of vertebrates. Hope you all have seen the video. Still now, if you don't see the video also, I request all of you to see all the 3 videos together. Then only you will have a more idea of that lesson. Okay children, now we'll move on to book back exercises. I just want you to open your book and take your pencil and mark the answers for book back exercises. And children, if you have any doubt any of the spellings, so once after seeing the video you can just refer to the book. Okay, if you have any queries in the spellings. Okay, so first one we'll see, choose the correct answer. Find the group having only marine members. The answer is option C, Echinodermata. The answer is option C, Echinodermata. Second one, Mesoglea is present in option B, Coelenterata. Mesoglea is present in option B, Coelenterata. Third one, which of the following pairs is not a poikilothermic animal? For this, option A, fishes and amphibians. Which of the following pairs is not a poikilothermic animal? Option A, fishes and animals. Fourth one, identify the animal having 4-chambered heart. The answer is option C, crocodile. The answer is option C, crocodile. Fifth one, the animal without skull. For this, the answer is option A, Acrania. The animal without skull is A, Acrania. Sixth one, hermaphrodite organisms are. For this, the answer is option D, Hydra, tapeworm, Ascaris, earthworm. For sixth one, the answer is D, option Hydra, tapeworm, Ascaris and earthworm. Seventh one, poikilothermic organisms are. Option C, fish, frog, lizard and snake. For seventh one, the answer is option C, fish, frog, lizard and snake. Eighth one, air sacs and pneumatic bones are seen in. Option C, bird. Air sacs and pneumatic bones are seen in C, bird. Ninth one, excretory organ of tapeworm is flame cells. Excretory organ of tapeworm is option A, flame cells. 10th one, water vascular system is found in option C, starfish. Water vascular system is found in option C, starfish. Okay, next we'll move on to Roman letter 2, fill in the blanks. First one, the skeletal framework of Porifera is spicules. I'll spell it S-P-I-C-U-L-E-S, spicules. S-P-I-C-U-L-E-S, spicules. Second one, ctenidia are respiratory organs in octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S, octopus. Ctenidia are the respiratory organs in octopus. O-C-T-O-P-U-S, octopus. Third one, scates are cartilaginous fishes. Scates are cartilaginous fishes. And answer C-A-R-T-I-L-A-G-I-N-O-U-S, cartilaginous. C-A-R-T-I-L-A-G-I-N-O-U-S, cartilaginous fishes. Fourth one, the larvae of an amphibian is tadpole. T-A-D-P-O-L-E, tadpole. Tadpole. P-O-L-E, tadpole. Fifth one, dash or jawless vertebrates. The answer for this is cyclostomes. C-Y-C-L-O-S-T-O-M-E-S, cyclostomes. C-Y-C-L-O-S-T-O-M-E-S, cyclostomes. Sixth one, dash is the unique characteristic feature of mammal, placenta. The answer for sixth one is placenta. P-L-A-C-E-N-T-A, placenta. P-L-A-C-E-N-T-A, placenta. Seventh one, spiny anteater is an example for egg-laying mammal. E-G-G-L-A-Y-I-N-G. E-G-G, egg, laying, L-A-Y-I-N-G, egg laying. So once again I will say the answer for fill in the blanks. First one, spicules. Second one, octopus. Third one, cartilaginous. Fourth one, tadpole. Fifth one, cyclostomes. Sixth one, placenta. Seventh one, egg laying. Okay children, now we will move on to third Roman letter. State whether true or false. If false, correct the following statements. So as you are grown up children, you are in 9th standard, it is not as just you have to mark true or false. If at all the statement is true, you have to just write true. If the statement is false, you have to underline which is the wrong one and you have to rewrite the correct statement. Okay, so if the statement is false, you have to underline which is the wrong one, and again in the second line you have to rewrite the correct statements. Okay, we'll see that. First one, canal system is seen in coelenterate. Here the wrong one is coelenterate, so you have to strike it out, or just you can underline coelenterates and you have to correct it as porifera. So instead of coelenterates, you have to write porifera, P-O-R-I-F-E-R-A, P-O-R-I-F-E-R-A. So the correct statement is canal system is seen in porifera. Okay, next one, hermaphrodite animals have both male and female sex organs. Yes, it is true. So just you have to write true. Hermaphrodite animals have both male and female sex organ. It is true. Third one, trachea are the respiratory organ of Annelida. Here Annelida is the wrong one, so you have to just underline Annelida. So you can write trachea or the respiratory organ of Arthropoda. Instead of Annelida, you have to write Arthropoda. For spelling for Arthropoda, A-R-T-H-R-O-P-O-D-A, A-R-T-H-R-O-P-O-D-A, Arthropoda. Fourth one, Bipinnaria is the larvae of mollusca. Here the wrong one is mollusca, so you have to strike it out mollusca, and instead of mollusca you have to write echinodermata, E-C-H-I-N-O-D-E-R-M-A-T-A, echinodermata. So once again I am saying, if you have any queries in the spelling, just you go through the book and from the book you can write down the correct spelling. Okay, don't write the wrong spelling. So the answer for this is Bipinnaria is the larva of echinodermata, E-C-H-I-N-O-D-E-R-M-A-T-A, echinodermata. Fifth one, Balanoglassus is a ciliary feeder. The answer is true. Sixth one, fishes have two-chambered heart. That is also true. So answer for both 5 and 6 is true. Seventh one, the skin of reptiles are smooth and moist. Here smooth and moist is wrong, so you have to underline smooth and moist, and instead of smooth and moist you have to write horny epidermal scales, covered with horny epidermal scales. So skin of reptiles are, so instead of smooth and moist you have to write covered with horny epidermal scales, C-O-V-E-R-E-D, covered with, W-I-T-H, with horny, H-O-R-N-Y, horny epidermal scales, epidermal, E-P-I-D-E-R-M-A-L, epidermal scales, S-C-A-L-E-S. So the correct statement is their body is covered with horny epidermal scales. So you can move on to the next page. Eighth one, the wings of birds are modified forelimbs. Of course it is correct, so the answer is true. For eighth one the answer is true. Ninth one, female mammary glands have female mammals have mammary glands, so that is also true. For answer for eighth one, ninth one is true. You need not change the statement, just you can write it true. Okay, Next, fourth Roman letter, match the following. On the left side they have given different phylums and right side they have given examples. Here you have to match the examples with the phylum. The answer for A, Coelenterata is Hydra. Okay, the answer for Coelenterata, Hydra, fourth one. The answer for Platyhelminthes, third option, tapeworm. For Platyhelminthes, answer is tapeworm. And C, for Echinodermata, the answer is starfish. For C, Echinodermata, the answer is starfish. Okay, and D, Mollusca, the answer is snail. And D, Mollusca, the answer is snail. So once again I'll say, for phylum Coelenterata, Hydra, Platyhelminthes, tapeworm, Echinodermata, it's starfish, and Mollusca, snail. That's all, children. Hope you all have marked all the book back 1 mark, and hereafter homework also will be given from this book back 1 mark. So once again I'll insist all of you to get the books and mark whatever is given in this video. Okay, so don't forget to recall the lesson and just have a look day by day. Okay, don't leave as it is. So we'll continue in the next video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Have a nice day. Thank you.